What? Do you want to do the intro? It is so hot in my room right now. Hello, all you beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Kaylee. For today's video, I decided I'm going to be giving you 10 tips to help you thrift like a pro. I go thrifting a lot just because there are a lot of thrift stores in my hometown. It just gives you something fun to do. I figured, why not give you these tips to help you out? Let's get into it. The first tip that I have for you guys is to bring earbuds. It's going to be super noisy where you are just because there tend to be a lot of people in thrift stores, and it's nice to be able to kind of drown everyone else out and listen to your own music. Kind of helps you go at your own pace. The second tip that I have for you guys is to wear something comfortable. I usually wear like a t-shirt and leggings with some like slip-ons just because it's easy to take on and off, and you could change really quickly, and you're going to be there for a lot of the day, so there's really no point in being uncomfortable. The third tip is probably one of the most important. Go in with an open mind. If you go in looking for one thing specifically, like say a striped t-shirt or something like that, then you're going to spend your entire time looking for that specific item, and you're going to pass on other things that could potentially be really great buys. So if you can, make sure to take your time and look through everything. Tip number 4 is to try and go on a day that there's a sale going on. One of my personal favorite thrift stores has discount days every Wednesday and Saturday where clothes are 30 to 50% off, which is great because I'm getting already affordable clothing for even cheaper. Some places also do student discounts, so if you can, make sure to look into that before you go thrifting. Tip number 5 is another super important one. Try not to limit yourself on just one particular section. I know I found a lot in the men's department because they tend to have a lot more t-shirts and sweaters, which is what I'm into. If you're smaller, you can even try the little boys section. Sometimes they have t-shirts in there. And if you're wanting to spice your room up a little, you can always look in the decor or even records. I know I've gotten a lot of my records from thrift stores, and usually you can find pretty good ones. Tip number 6 is to ignore sizing. I know a lot of older and vintage clothing have different sizing than you're used to. Even if you don't think it's your size, I would try it on anyways because you never know. Tip number 7 is to make sure to wash your clothes after you purchase them. Most places don't wash their clothes after getting donations, so it's good to make sure that they're nice and fresh before you end up wearing them. Tip number 8 is to set aside an entire day or at least a couple of hours. Thrifting takes a long time because there's a lot of stuff to look through, so if you limit yourself time-wise, then you're going to be rushing through everything and you're probably not going to find a whole lot. Tip 9 is to look for clothing from all seasons. The reason is that people tend to donate their summer clothes during fall and winter, and vice versa. So if you like it, then get it anyways, and you can just wear it whenever it comes into season. The last tip that I have for you guys is to be mindful of your surroundings. There are going to be a lot of people, yes, but there's no point in being rude to anyone because you're all there for relatively the same reason, and it's just going to make it a bad experience for you and them. So don't make it hard on the workers either. They're just there to do their jobs, so if something falls, pick it up and make sure to put things back where they belong. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.